The internet has made it easier than ever to learn about digital marketing. There are a variety of free platforms available that can be used to learn the ins and outs of digital marketing. One of the most popular free platforms is Google Digital Garage. This platform allows users to take free courses, watch tutorials, and access helpful resources in order to learn more about digital marketing. It also has a variety of quizzes, tests, and other activities to help users learn and refresh their knowledge. Another great free platform for digital marketing is Coursera. Coursera offers a variety of courses in digital marketing, ranging from beginner to advanced. Some of the courses are completely free, but for some courses, users may need to pay a subscription fee. LinkedIn Learning is an excellent platform for learning about digital marketing. It offers a variety of courses and tutorials from industry professionals, making it an ideal place to learn about digital marketing. Udemy is another free platform that provides a variety of digital marketing courses. The courses are usually paid, but they offer discounts throughout the year. This is a great option for those who want to learn more about digital marketing but don't have the budget for expensive courses. Finally, the Google Digital Marketing Course is another free platform that has been designed to help users learn more about digital marketing. This course is designed to be self-paced, allowing users to learn at their own pace. It also offers resources, quizzes, and activities to help users learn faster. Overall, there are a variety of free platforms available for those who want to learn about digital marketing. From Google Digital Garage to Coursera and Udemy, there are plenty of options for users to explore and learn from. Becoming a digital marketing manager is a great way to leverage your knowledge and skills in the digital marketing world. It requires a combination of technical, creative, and business acumen. To become a successful digital marketing manager, here are some steps you can take. 1. Start by familiarizing yourself with the fundamentals of digital marketing. Learn the basics of SEO, content marketing, social media marketing, and PPC advertising. 2. Obtain a formal education in digital marketing. Consider taking courses in marketing, online marketing, or digital marketing from an accredited institution. 3. Develop a portfolio of your work. This could include websites you have designed, content you have written, or campaigns you have created. 4. Gain experience working in digital marketing roles. This could include internships, volunteering, or working in a digital marketing agency. 5. Become certified in one or more areas of digital marketing. This could include Google Ads certification, analytics certification, or social media certification. 6. Maintain a knowledge of trends and best practices in digital marketing. Stay up to date on the latest technologies, platforms, and changes in the industry. 7. Network with other digital marketing professionals. Attend conferences, join LinkedIn groups, and build relationships with people in the industry. By following these steps, you can become a successful digital marketing manager. With the right combination of education, experience, and knowledge, you can become an expert in the field and help businesses grow and reach their goals.